Hello and welcome to NetApp TV. This video demonstrates how to suppress automatic case creation during scheduled maintenance windows from System Manager. First, log into System Manager. Select Cluster and then Settings on the left pane. Select the ellipsis next to the Auto Support and then select Suppress Support Case Generation. Enter the duration of the maintenance window. Select the appropriate nodes and then click Send button to trigger the maintenance auto support. Please note the maximum duration allowed to suppress support case generation on the nodes is 72 hours. We hope you found this video helpful. Please visit and subscribe to the NetApp KBTV YouTube channel for more technical videos. Thank you for watching.